Yebo, asingeneni ku-hot topic yethu yanamhlanje, lalelani. Hi KVG, I hope you're doing well, Nasaki. It's funny that I have been following hot topics for close to 2 years now, and I never thought ndichanyora onyaya yangu. So I got married 2 years ago and had a beautiful wedding with my husband. Unfortunately, days leading up to my wedding, I discovered an affair between my maid of honor and my brother. It was one evening after tapedza practice yema steps. Vanhu vese vakaparadzana and my best friend stayed behind, arranging the lounge chairs. My brother was waiting for his car that my husband was using kutakura zvinhu for the wedding. I went to bath and told my best friend that I'm going straight to bed because I had a headache. I realized after bathing that I needed pain stop in my son's room, who was kwagogo for holiday. My shock finding the two on my son's little bed being intimate. I just walked out and closed the door. Shortly, my husband came and everyone left. I started replaying the many times they would request to do certain things together for our wedding preps, and I realized they had been dating for a while. I spoke to my friend the next day, who was trying to apologize, but I didn't listen. I was furious because my brother is married and had a wife expecting. I replaced her as my maid of honor with my little sister. Everyone did not understand, but I managed the situation because I didn't want to cause drama and pain with the wedding a few days away. After wedding, I went to honeymoon, and when I came back, I eventually spoke to my brother, and he begged me not to tell my murora nana mama. He promised me kuti ari kusiyana neshamwari yangu, but I'm writing this hot topic because my ex-best friend is pregnant. I just heard nemakuwa. Ukuo, my murora comes to me crying, saying, your brother has kurara kumba. I called my brother nikamubvunza kuti, why you siri kurara kumba? And he told me that my friend needs him, she's pregnant. I was left with no choice. I told him that I had no choice but to tell mom and dad nemurora, but he said to me, you have always known, so tell them that you kept the secret too. I feel terrible. Yes, it's true, I kept the truth and protected them, thinking my threat to expose them would make them quit their affair. Now there is a whole baby on the way, and I am to blame. I didn't even tell my husband. So tell me, what can I do, Pakadai? Should I keep my silence or tell everyone what's going on? Here is hot topic yethu yanamhlanje.
Oh, manqobe. Okay. Yeah. It's a Tuesday indeed. Listen, this is how we shut down the show, the final segment, our hot topic. And Rgaintinzoti Sedare Murguti 0772162651. This one says, this is a very complicated hot topic, but what I can simply say to you is the truth will set you free. 605 last digit of your number. You're saying in life. Another one also coming through says, I think it's best you keep your silence and let him handle his affairs like you did from the get-go. Another one also coming through says, I think eventually. Let's find out who is on line 0772162651. You're calling us on our action lines. Tinzwekuti Murukuzwono say an affair between a maid of honor and brother of the bride. Star Famelo.
Hi, KVG.
Maswera say.
Yakunetsa kubva kabhozi munhu ari involved neshamwari yake dai vari vatorwawo unongobvawo pazviri but mamirira zvaita zvichatozobuda ndokwazvakutoita but iyewo kuti azinge angoriwo pari safe achitongotaura hapasina zvimwe zvekuita.
Okay, to tell the truth, akudza vabereki vake nemurora
otongotaura mareasons acho akatombonyarariro kuti ndakatofunga kuti wo munhu vaakusiyana nazvo but tatoona kuti kwazvatoenda kwacho uko akusina reverse. Kwakutongotaura hapasina.
Thank you so much for that. An honorable man you are, because pawatsa pedu tiri kunzi vai pazvinhu zvevanhu musataura on 0772162651 0714414413. That's how you connect with us. Hello, hi.
Hey KVG, hi Saki.
Hey my love.
Good. Okay, one way or the other, she's an auntie. Hapana chichaichinja. In the situation, it's sort of like what my brother said before, which is when simutoro. Ngaachitongotaura because itori nyaya yatova mumhuri. Pakazoda kungopinda nyaya because brother yake how are we going to know kuti zvoni acharegedza kumuthreatena even ataura kana kuti aregedza kuzitaura. Saka ngaachitongotaura because inyaya yatongova mumhuri ende ichatongonidza ivo satete kuti vamire vatonge.
Yeah, and the baby on the way, muzukuru
wavo at the same time.
Yeah, I hear you there. Yeah.
Sure.
0772162651. You might not like the circumstance leading to Patashika Basi. Yeah, if you're to look at it, muzukuru.
Yeah. And I think vanhu vari kuti hanzi bva panyaya dzevanhu itori nyaya yavo because ndo vachagara matare acho ndivo vachataura nyaya yacho.
Vana tete are the gatekeepers,
right,
of mhuri dzedu. Saka vakatozviremova panyaya vachazongoifambira still.
Yes.
Yeah, so she can delay it, but eventually vachafanira kuifambira.
It will catch up with her.
Exactly. Yeah. Star FM, hello.
Hi, ladies.
Hey, mama.
Hi, yeah, Shakaoma, guys.
Shakaoma, that's true.
My advice to Tete would be, ngavataure, the truth will always set you free. Kutongotaura, vongotaura situation, what's on the ground, and vanhu vogara navo, because now, obviously, nyaya ichabuda. And kana matombotaura kuti muroora avaitombotaura vese, which means probably muroora trust Tete.
Yeah, anenge achienda achinochemera kuna Tete, Tete, yeah, but I can also understand her fears kuti now the brother kuti inini ndichataurawo kuti iwe waiziya for a long time, because zvinenge zvaakuita kunge Tete vaichengeta shamwari yavo ichidanana nehanzvadzi. Yeah.
Exactly. But you know what? Kana Tete vakataura chokwadi kuti, you know what? I was doing this because of ABC. This was my best friend. And I thought kuti kuvathreatena kwavanga vaita vachamira, but zvakazodai so ngangotaura chokwadi. But asi ndinongone mvuyo nevanhu vanobreaka mamarriage evanhu vakakwanira.
Tikati vakakwana tinenge tanyepa because pane zvinenge zvichiitika, because in this case munhu ari kutonyatsoziva kuti this guy is married because atori relationship ne the friend. So there's no way that you cannot know that your brother, your friend's brother is married. Yeah. Yeah, plus pamwe nekutoonana ne the wife. Yeah. Achitoudzwa netunyaya.
Tunyaya memwana uchitoudzwa tese apa ari busy kuvhura large.
Chirek. Yeah. On 0772162651, you can call in. Let us know what you think about our hot topic. This one says, I think to protect your brother, you just need to stay out of it and let him finish his guns, and then mozopindira satete. Right now, kutaura iwewe might get you into a lot of trouble with one, your murora, and your friend, your ex-best friend. Star FM, hello. King, what do you say?
Inangwa ndangu zvakanyanya zvekutaura but yatodeuka yakuda kutongotaurwa iyi.
Natete
ndo wafa tongotaura ndo zvatongopopa ground izvo.
Vari kutaura kumunhu wese kunana mama and to the murora.
Kutongounganidza mhuri yese votongotaura ndo zviri paground.
Yeah.
Wanzi mukomana akasiyiwa tatoona Jonas muZimbabwe.
Chimurekisa. Ndi Jonas part 2.
Anenge atoo Jonas uyu ada kukurumidzirwa.
Yeah. 0772162651, 0714414413. Those are the action lines for you to get in touch with us. We receive your hot topics on the show, and you can do it right now if you have one. Before we shut it down, we'll take time to harvest some of the voice notes that are coming in. But Yatina Yonasi, it's a case of a maid of honor, best friend to the bride who was having an affair with the bride's brother. And now, years later, Vapaka Zhuona, she just kept her, her silence. And now she's realizing that there is a child involved, an unborn baby that she's learning about. Panofambiswa says, Star FM, hello.
Hello, Majid.
Hi, my boss. Are you well?
I'm very well, KVG. Who is it?
Aiwa, nice king. Ameno munoitongo say mumwenyu.
KVG.
Yeah.
pane nyaya nekuti haisati yataurwa but hapana nyaya.
Yes.
Because kwayatosvikira kuna tete huko.
Ndo right. Ndo kwainosvikira.
Ndoko ofisi yacho chaiyo. Saka tete apa vafanira kutomboziva kuti Bhuti ndiJonas. Saka ivo vafanira kubhalansisa equation. Ndobva tatopedza nyaya.
Okay.
Nyaya nekuti haisati yataurwa. Ingotaurwa chete zvinobva zvatopera.
But zvinoresolveka sei muchizvionawo?
Nyaya ingoripo apa kapa. Ndeyekuti tete ngavangobude pachena. Because vakasabuda pachena manje vakuita kuti ivo vane zvavari kushiridza. Hapana chavanga vachitozivawo. Vakatongorowawo chekuseri.
I hear you there. Thank you so much for that. Anzi, daimataura tete, iwewo munyori, I think it's best kuti ungotaura. And zvataurwa apa ichokwadi kuti nyaya kwayatosvikira ndiko kwainotofanira kusvikira, ndo ofisi yacho. Idzo mimba idzo dzisingatsanangurike, dzisingataurike, zvemujolo-jolo. Zvatoitika zvinonotongwa nana tete vachigadzirisa vachiita sei. Hanzi chifambai nayo tete, mototi nyaya yasvikirawo mumaoko angwi. Kana maakudaidza mhuri yese maakugara nayo pasi mozobatawo murora papaya, but we will press play on some of the voice notes that are coming through. It's our hot topic on a Tuesday. Stay with us.
Enjoy all 104 matches of the FIFA World Cup 2026. Get a decoder for just $10 and watch all games for $16 on DSTV Access.
If you need expert auto body services, visit Supreme Panel Beaters at 118 Mutare Road, Masasa, Harare. We are the best at panel beating, chassis straightening, spray painting, rubberizing, paint protection film, vehicle towing, windscreen and vehicle accessory fitment, plus a whole lot more. Call or WhatsApp today, 0785 685 203. Supreme Panel Beaters. Babandi Baba in the game since 1991.
This is how we do it. Enhancing the sound of your radio. Star FM, sounding good all the time.
All right, listen, while we work hard to provide for our loved ones today, it's equally important to prepare for tomorrow. From as little as 95 cents per month, get funeral cover from EcoSure. Payout starts from $700 to $6,250. You simply dial star 900 hash, that's star 900 hash to register for EcoSure today. Hashtag upenyu wakarongeka impilo ehlelekileyo. Now, ready to tee off for a cause that changes the future? Well, Women's University in Africa invites you to the Chancellor's Fundraiser Golf Tournament 2026, taking place on Friday, the 10th of July at the Country Club in Newlands under the theme Empowering Women, Energizing Tomorrow. Your participation will help shape the next generation for women leaders. Now, join us to showcase your brand, network with industry leaders, and be part of something impactful. You can register today. Women's University in Africa, hashtag Empowering Nations. And let's go in with your voice notes.
I think the problem one yakangoitawo nje kusataurira murume wako. I think ipapo wakabaisa singaiti. Handizivi kuti mune muchidanana sei pamapillow talk paya ndo panotaurika nyaya dzakadai. So, and I think also the best thing again, tell murume wako. Whatever decision chazoitwa nemurume wako after this, then that will be okay. You are not to blame. Don't even blame yourself. Those are grown-up people. So you will just talk to your husband. Tell him everything. And then you will see what he can do.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, she didn't tell the husband. I think she was really trying to, manage the situation, and the true culprits involved. Yeah, but to your husband, you have to start a family.
Hello, how are you?
Maswera say.
Right, first time caller.
Thank you so much, dear.
Okay, my contribution is men actually want. They know what they want. Before apa kutoti aritombosiya imba yake achienda kuno umwe mukadzi, it means this is permanent. So akagara atongonyarara, at the end achanzi she was supporting this.
Okay.
So she have to come up clean. Otaura kuti inini ndo saka reason yandakaregera kudini kumuita maid of honor wangu ndikamureplace. It was because of ABCDE. Then that way iye anenge abuda mazviri, but nyaya yataura because this is permanent. It's not a fling. Zvinhu zvatoapo.
I hear you there. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, Anzi Garawataurako.
Hi guys, it's a Tuesday for sure. It's difficult to touch because the only way out is to tell the truth, share the story with everyone, apologize to Morora, apologize to the family. She kept quiet because she was trying and she was hoping so it didn't go that way. Now it's a mess.
It is a mess.
This is family. She just needs to tell the truth.
I'm with you there. Yeah.
Hi Saki, hi KVG. Ai wakan asinai vanhuwe. Hatingati vatete ngavasiyane nenyaya idzi. I think vatete ngavaende vanotanga vataura nevabereki. Vavozotaurirana semhuri kuti wait us say what's the way forward. Uyu brother is guilt tripping tete kuti vasataure. But at the end of the day, he is going to have to face the consequences of my actions ake uyu brother uyu. So she needs to come out in the open. Indinoona seuya asisade mukadzi nekuti kana akunorara kugirlfriend uku achiti she needs me. Ko mukadzi wake she needs him at the same time. Ngabude pachena. Zvinosotana zvega kumberi ikoko.
KVG, hi Saki. So my opinion is as follows. I think Kanashida Kutaura, it's okay. That threat from the brother, Yekuti, you knew. At least she knew and did something. She removed that friend of hers from being a maid of honor. That's actually a statement. Saka apana anozoma accuse of, knowing and not perpetrating. She tried to intervene in some sort of way. But I think she can just go ahead and say it. Why I'm saying that is because there's a whole baby coming on the way. Yeah. It's gonna come out one way or the other.
The best that she can do is to tell my parents how my parents ndo vakuru mumhuri. Ndivo vachaziva kuendla kwavachaita nyaya iyi nemwana wavo komana nemuroora. Kumuroora kudai aregera hake kusvika. Remember, it's a friend. Zvinogona kutorula relationship yake nemuroora chero even ataura chokwadi. So I think iyi nyaya inofanira kuendlwa nababa vemukomana namai vacho nemukomana. Zvinopera zvakadaro.
Yeah, Star family.
Dave.
Wangu.
What is it?
Yeah.
Zvikere kuti ndimjiwa good.
Hakuna njiwa good yakadaro.
Azvuzika. Ndakapanga zvangu. Zvuzike.
Maswera.
Mushe madi.
Yeah, pakaipa.
Ndanda kuti anzana utete handiti. Dai wambonyarara handiti. Wozongoona kuti zvinopera sei. Well, sometimes it's good kungogara paside wozodhila nemagumo acho maperera zvezvada kuita than kuzvitanga iwewe usirimuridza zvinhu. Sometimes I'm telling you, it's very important sometimes. Even if you information, vanhu vakawanda vana information wanayo, but vari kuti wanotoziva kuti information iyi haite kuti nditange oita kana kuti tizogame kumberi. Saka neyatete I think inoda kuzogama kumberi. Wotonza ko tete maitoziva zvinhu but aiwa wisdom kai indemboziya chida kumbobata defense iri pakatowandisa weye kuzidefenda iwo kana zvazonesa mangwana
vakazeya for 2 years saka pavanonga vachiti vaida kuzeya kuzosvika rini
for 2 years pamakuhwa dzakawanda here
nhasi
baterera ndaita inini ka uzozvika vanhu vakawanda vari kuti ngaataure oza ndovati madzimai ari married, madzimai mazhinji ari married zvaanoita ndika waribhita bhozi vanoti toda kufikisa pasi.
Watanga kulebla wakulebla madzimai ari married.
Mazhinji inzwa madhamu yangu ndizvozvo andizvandi
Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, it is Star FM sounding good all the time. Our hot topic for today. And to close this hot topic, all I can say is always tell the truth when it's comfortable and always tell the truth when it's not comfortable, because the more you delay it, it's not going to permanent damage. It's better for you to handle it in the moment. I think the truth the moment bata in your son's room, and then and maybe it would have even delayed
Yes.
asimwana akuzoya 2 years later after wazibata. So satete, I think I'm gonna bata basarenyi papa. We are Star FM sounding good all the time. Let's do it again tomorrow. It's news time.
This is Zim Papers Radio broadcast.